Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm sharing the organization of my kitchen cabinets and drawers. I made a huge Amazon order and I also ordered new dishes from westelm.com. I love the ones that I chose and I cannot wait to use them. On Amazon, I purchased a K-cup carousel, 4 bamboo drawer dividers, a pots and pans organizer, 4 bamboo corner shelf organizers, and a stackable water bottle organizer. These adorable plates and bowls are from westelm.com. I accidentally ordered 2 sets of cups, so I have a bunch of plastic cups now. Today's video is also a collaboration with my girl Candis again. Thank you so much from both of us to those of you that went over and subscribed and commented. I read all of your comments and saw how much her channel grew after that. She is so sweet and grateful. That made me feel really good. So if you aren't subscribed to Candis yet, make sure as soon as you're done watching my video, you go watch her kitchen organization video. And don't forget to subscribe and tell her I sent you. If you are new here and you like organizational videos like this, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any more of my future uploads. Now let's get started. Starting with my spice cabinets, one side is for spices, the other is for baking ingredients. I'm removing everything, cleaning the inside with my vinegar mix, discarding anything that's expired, cleaning the outside of any items, and then finally nicely organizing everything. This is my first time organizing this cabinet. Some of the others and drawers were already organized. The kitchen was the first thing I organized when we first moved in, but as time has passed, I feel like now I know what is more functional for us. As I'm organizing, I'm just doing what makes the most sense for me. Having our spices close to the stove in reach is a must. My baking ingredients are all going to the left side, organized where I can see everything. On this side, I have a lot of random things like my French press, Turkish coffee, medicines, my blender, supplements, labels, leftover paper plates. I'm taking everything out and wiping it down, and then with 2 of the bamboo corner shelf organizers, I'm using those to hold extra mugs that don't fit on the tree thing. The medicines always go way up on top, out of reach for my kids. Directly underneath in this drawer, I have some kitchen utensils that I can't really organize more than just adding some drawer organizers, so they're sections. Under there is where I was keeping my bakingware and empty canisters, but I want this to be where I keep our extra pantry food and make that last cabinet my new bakeware one. Moving on to the K-cup carousel, it holds 40 cups. I buy my coffee pods in bulk of 100, so I'll still have a lot left over after filling it once that I'll keep in the extras cabinet. There are all the things that I use for baking. I ended up organizing the empty canisters in with the extra food. In the fridge, I had a little bit of organizing to do. Most of my Tupperware is in the fridge with food. That's why my Tupperware cabinet that you'll see later on is so bare. It usually is because I cook a few different meals a week and store it in the fridge for us all to eat. Now I'm washing all of the new cups and dishes in the dishwasher. I was so happy everything fit, and as soon as the dishes were done, I dried them and put them all away. In the meantime, I took everything that was already in the cabinet out, and then using my bamboo corner shelf organizers for the dishes, I thought to remove a shelf, but I didn't really need the extra one. The glass jars I felt like would be better at a lower level and stored away, so those ones are going on the shelf above my cast iron pans, salad spinner, and my rice cooker always stays in there too. Moving on to this pots and pans organizer, I'm removing everything. The organizer wouldn't fit unless I removed a shelf, so that's what I did. It can easily be put back. I just put it in the closet off the kitchen. As long as the weight is evenly distributed, it should stand almost straight. I don't like when things lean or droop, so it took some time for me to get it straight enough to not drive me crazy. These two drawers are directly above, holding baking and miscellaneous kitchen gadgets. The other is parchment paper, aluminum foil, Ziplocs, and jar lids. The teal and gray organizers are from Sam's Club. These drawers are fine like this. I don't see any need to do anything more. The kids' dinnerware is in this drawer. This is how it's been since we moved in, and I think it's fine. The kids can easily grab cups or bowls when they need to. I'm adding the last two bamboo drawer organizers to this drawer on the far end that holds some electronics and cables. Not exactly necessary, but just the sections and rolling up the cables and placing them nicely makes me feel better. This is the Tupperware cabinet. Like I mentioned, it stays pretty bare. The Nintendo is randomly in here. Also, a bottle of Owlette bubbles hanging out on top of the cabinets. I was just trying to keep it away from the kids. As soon as the dishwasher stopped, I towel dried all of the dishes and put them away the way that I like. I did want to show everything put away as the end result. Then I thought, when are all my dishes ever clean and put away? Like, never. It took me a few days, but everything is clean and put away. I included what everything looks like in my kitchen currently at the end. If you guys liked this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.